Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pausing immediately and opening the in-game settings menu. Once paused, navigate to the System or Settings tab so you can access core options. Make sure you highlight the difficulty entry but don't change it yet. This lets you confirm current mode and save state if needed. You check current save slot to avoid unwanted progress loss, and you note trophies or New Game Plus restrictions because some modes affect those. When ready, move to adjust the actual difficulty. You select the difficulty field and cycle through choices until you land on the desired level. While doing this, remember why. Enemy stats, exp, and item drops scale so the feel of combat changes immediately. Once you pick Confirm the change, the game may warn about trophy or New Game Plus impacts, so read prompts. After confirmation, exit the menu but don't forget to save manually to lock in the change. If you use multiple saves, update each relevant slot to match. You verify by loading the save you updated and entering a short battle to confirm enemy behavior matches the new difficulty. If enemies still feel the old setting, reload the game and repeat the change, then overwrite the save. Sometimes the engine needs a fresh save right to apply settings. If problems persist, close the application and reboot the console or PC, then restore a backup save if necessary. Keep one external backup so you can revert if a setting locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.